Right, hey everyone, thank you for watching. In this video, we're going to be talking about login ads. The last video, I talked about banner ads, and I even talked about text ads. So if you haven't seen that, go back and watch them. As a matter of fact, I have a whole playlist of Safelists training. So if you didn't get to that, go ahead and click on playlists, and I have them all listed there in order. There's about 8 videos. Well, you're watching the 8th video right now. So let's go ahead and dig into login ads. This is paid advertising, okay? All the other videos we were talking about, free ways to use SafeList, how to use SafeList for free. But to get the most out of it, providing extra videos to show you what you can do to, really put yourself out there if we're just focused on SafeList, okay? Okay, so before you get going with doing any of these login ads, make sure you have your website ready. If you don't have a website, then you need to make sure that you have all of that together, okay? So here's an example of a page that I'm going to use for this video to do these login ads. You want to be able to make sure that you're capturing people's emails, email addresses so that, you can follow up with them, okay? So that's the proper way to do it. If you don't have a website, or a capture page or anything like that, but you have a website that you want to direct people to, you can use that as well. People advertise the way they want to advertise. So, but yeah, if you have a page like this, use it. And that way you can stay connected with anyone who subscribes with you, okay? The first one we're going to be going into is Herculist. This is one of my favorite ones, and I'm going to show you a few more. We're going to get into some more, but this is one I'm going to show you. So this is paid advertising using SafeList, okay? And login ads are very, very powerful, and here's the reason. I'm going to log in. Okay, so here's a ad right here that you can see. So this is not a login ad. It's actually called a Prime page. So let me show that you can see that. This is a Prime page. And basically, before you even log in, you can advertise your page here. Okay, so that's one way you can do with Herculist. This is a very popular website. There's a lot of members here, so you can get some pretty good exposure, even if you just use Herculist. Okay. All right, so if you want something like this here before people log in, you just click there and that's how you get access to it. But we're talking about login ads. All right, log in. Okay, so here you go. This is a login ad. As you can see, this person is promoting their opportunity. And if anyone is interested, wherever it is that they can sign up at, they can do that wherever it is on this page. But again, if you're using something simple like this for a login ad, good idea. Okay. Now, if you want one of those, you'll just click here, all right? It's going to take you to something called iBlast. And what you'll do is fill out this form, you'll fill out your ad, and then, you put your website address in there, which would be this one, okay? So let me go ahead and show you how this is done, and I'll be back. All right, so as you can see, I filled everything out here. Everything's good to go. And once you get done doing that, you'll scroll down and then you'll click Proceed to Order Form. Now I'm actually going to do this so that you can see here, okay? So you can choose if you want to pay with credit card or if you want to pay with Bitcoin, you can do that as well. So the submission that I normally use is the $40 option here, okay? It tells you what you get. So you get 12-hour Herculist List Viola login ad. So the owner of Herculist also has another site called List Volta. So you'll get exposure over there too. You get 3 mega mail submissions to over 81,500 contact email addresses, 1 submission to 22,000 proven buyers, okay? Just make sure you use a page like this so you can capture people's emails. You'll be able to, communicate with them through your emails, your follow-up emails, all right? I'm going to do credit card here, and this is what you would do. You would fill out the form. Give me a second, and I'll get that done. Right, once you fill out everything on the first page, you click the button and then it'll take you to this page here, and that's when you can fill out your credit card information. So give me a moment and I'll do that. Okay, so once you get done, you'll get a receipt, so hold on to that. And you can use that for your taxes at the end of the year. Make sure any advertising that you buy online, be sure to hold on to those receipts. Okay. All right, once you're done, you can just hit continue, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. You're going to be notified once the submission takes place, and that is all you have to do with that login ad. Let's move into the next one. Right, so here's another good one. This is called Lease Ad Space, okay? These safe lists that I'm showing you here, these ones are really good. You might not even want to use the other ones that I show you, but I'm going to show you them anyway, because in all safe lists, most of them have areas where you can, you know, purchase login ads. So, all right, so let me go ahead and log into this one. All right, check it out. Login ad. As you can see, someone's promoting something here. This is their opportunity. Okay, that's what they're doing. I'm not, it looks like the actual website. And, this is what people do. So if you have the full website, that doesn't have anything like this, that's up to you if that's what you want to do. Test it and see if it works. That's all I have to say about that. All right, so how do you get your page right here? It's called Ads by LAS, which is Lease Ad Space. It's called a para ad. All right, so you click that and you can see you can have a 5-day run, 10-day run, 20-day run, 30-day run. Choose whichever one you want to do. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just choose this option right here to buy a 5-day run right now. If you're not sure what it is, this is what it tells you. You can read all of this. All right, so let me go ahead and click buy 5-day run. So for 5 days, my ad will be shown right here so that people can see it when they log in. Okay, so let's just do that. And just note, there are no refunds. All purchases are final because you're aware of what you're doing, right? So just read the rules, the disclaimer before you put money into anything that you're doing. You're the one who's doing it, so you have to, take responsibility for that. So no refunds, okay? You don't get your money back. Okay, so there are options to pay with Bitcoin or any other altcoins out there, any other crypto. And then you have an option to pay with your credit card, or if you referred people to Lease Ad Space and you've earned some commissions from it, you can use your earnings to purchase advertising. So that's a good thing as well. Let's go ahead and pay with credit card. All right, so you have that option. Tells you what to do. Purchase now with credit card. Click here. All right, so there it is. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video so I can fill this out, and I'll be right back. All right, so now I have my 5-day purchase. It says that I have purchased it. The system has credited your account with the sale, and you can start using some awesome new products that you just purchased. So, all right, so here it is right here. You can see I purchased some before and they have expired. So now this is my new active one. And so I would have to configure that. We're going to add that. Click add. And all you do is get your destination link. Grab mine. Okay. A short description for you to identify which ad it is. So whatever your business opportunity is, no one else will see this except for you. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to click submit. So it says this will be the one and only ad configured on this para ad license when this form is submitted. As a result, all impressions allocated to this license will be applied to this ad. So 5 days, this page will be shown. This is right here. Okay. Submit. All right, it's added, and I can scroll down and you can see however many impressions I get on this. So here we go. That's that. All right. So that's a login ad for Lease Ad Space. We did two already. We did Herculist was the first one, Lease Ad Space. I'm going to show you another one. This here is called Ads Messenger. This is an example of a login spotlight ad. All right. Let me go to my account and start this over for you so you can see. Skip. This is a safe list here. We talked about this in other videos. You probably remembered this. So what we're going to do is click on Buy Advertising, Login Spotlight. All right. They have weekly login ads are $17. Okay. So when you purchase, that's what it will be, $17. So keep up with your purchases so you can know where you're at with what you're spending money on here, okay? So when you book a weekly login ad, you get the bonuses below 10. Oh, that's cool. So you don't have to click any credits to get these 10 message posts. So that's wonderful. You don't have to click any credits. Banner ad impressions and text ad impressions. And they're instantly added to your account. That's pretty cool. So you have that option to do that there. All right. Then we also have list impact, right? So let me see. We'll go here to set up ads, and you have login ads here. And you can see some people already put that out there. And you just click on the days that you want. It's $2.50 per login ad. Okay, so one day is $2.50. So if you want to pay with your credit card, you can do it here. Coin payments, you can do it here. You'll just click that. And if you want more than what you're looking for, you just click how many you want, right? Update it, and it'll show you how much it is. You can pay with Google Pay or your credit card, okay? And then your ads will be shown, all right? Then lastly, I'm going to show you this one. You know, just go around and check different safe lists that you're involved in and check them out. And a good example to know where you want to be at in these safe lists is I like to see if there's other people purchasing login ads in that particular safe list, okay? So that lets me know that I should buy there too, all right? That's just my thing that I do. So as you can see, there's, you know, people who are buying and they're $5 a day, okay? So if I wanted to choose this one, it's green, this one and this one, I can reserve that till Sunday, right? And then click reserve. Uh-oh, let me log in. Okay, so we'll go full page login ad is what it's called. All right, so let's just say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, reserve. Okay, so it will be $20 and you can buy that right now. You can pay with credit card. If you have commissions, you can pay with that, or you can scroll down and see other options that you have here, okay? And that's what you would do. So at least you know where they are. Login ads, you see what this one is. You can purchase that if you like. And again, I gave you some tips on how you can use these and make sure that you check and see that other people are using those login ads to that way you can, you know, make a decision if you want to go ahead and do that purchase or not. But for the first ones that I mentioned, iBlast and Lease Ad Space, great places to go, very popular safe list to use. So even if you just want to use those two, they're great. But at least you know now how to use login ads. They're very, very powerful, guys. Use them if you have the funds to do so. So that is it for this video. I have covered. Actually, let me give you one more thing that you can do with these safe lists, okay? There's something called solo ads, all right? I wasn't going to do anything on it, but just let me just give you an idea of how this works, okay? I mentioned solo ads when I was talking about talking through some of the videos. So let me go, let's see, advertising. what is this one called? Advertising for Success. Okay. So you'll see some credit mails, solo ads, right? Now, I talked about the difference between these credits. If you wanted to get your credits a whole lot faster, okay, check out the credit video on how to click for your credits. And I talk about this. But in a nutshell, if you're trying to gather your credits, people are going to most likely want to get their credits from the solo ad email because it's worth more points. So let me just click here. You can see it's 20 points for a regular credit earning, and then you click on this, it's 35, right? So people are going to most likely want to click on this first. So this solo ad is a paid advertising, okay? So for example, this is the one we're talking about, advertising for success. You want to make sure you're in the right one. You see here, advertising for success, and you'll go here and they have premium solo ads, okay? They have different ones, premium and extraordinary solo ads. So let's just look at these just really quick. I'm not going to buy anything, but it's $19. It will be sent out by the admin and to the most responsive mailing sites reaching 25,000 plus. Okay? And you're guaranteed a minimum of 500 views for your purchase. Okay? All right. All right. So now you know where to find it if that's what you plan on doing. If you purchased some before, you can look at your stats and find it here. So you can see I've done it before. Okay. So that's status. All right. Extraordinary solos are right here as well. So the owner has multiple safe lists that she owns. And so when you buy a solo ad, which was the one I just showed you actually, is $9 per solo ad. So just pay $9 and you'll get your solo ad into everyone's email, just like you see like this. It'll go to all of these websites that she owns and to the members' safe list. So if you are in, even if you're not in it, you'll get exposure there. Okay, so a lot of people use these features to buy solo ads because some owners will put it where you can pay and then you'll be paying to have your ads sent out to several different safe lists. All right, it just depends on what it is. Some just have their safe list as is and you only mail to that particular safe list. With the solo ads, they don't have it where you can, pay a one-time fee and it's sent to different safe lists like this one. Okay, so this is a good one. It's more exposure. You know that people are going to click on the solo ads, so these are just things that you should know about safe lists and how to use them and get the most out of it. You probably heard some thunder. So I'm going to wrap this up. Again, this was on login ads, but I just wanted you to know too about the solo ads. So that's pretty much everything in a nutshell with the safe list training. I do thank you for watching. This is the final video. I thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.